Good morning, class. Today we're going to do some biology. Get out your biology books.
I absolutely despise biology. I'm going to throw this book at the teacher.
Dark Hurricane Charlie the Anteater Jr., I cannot believe you threw your biology book right at me. That is it. Go to the principal's office immediately.
What brings you into my office today, Dark Hurricane Charlie the Anteater Jr.?
I threw my biology book at my teacher.
Oh my goodness. Dark Hurricane Charlie the Anteater Jr. How dare you throw your biology book at your teacher? You know that it's against the school rules, and you're forbidden from throwing school property at students and staff. That's it. You're suspended for 2 weeks. Go home now.
Dark Hurricane Charlie the Anteater Jr. How dare you throw your biology book at your teacher and got a 2-week suspension. You know that it's naughty to throw objects at people, especially the school students and staff.
That's it. You're grounded for 2 weeks.
Now march straight to your room and be ashamed of yourself.
What?